Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance on your phone. First, download the official Binance app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to register for an account and complete the identity verification steps. This is crucial for security and compliance. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication immediately to protect your funds and personal information. It's a simple but vital step for a secure trading experience. Now that your account is set up, let's talk about funding it. You can deposit funds using several methods, including bank transfers or linking a debit or credit card. The app makes it easy to convert your local currency into popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Always check the available deposit options and any associated fees to choose the most convenient and cost-effective method for your needs. It's a straightforward process to get started. With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. The Binance app offers a user-friendly interface for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. You can place different order types, such as market orders for instant execution, or limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. Regularly monitor your portfolio to track performance and make informed decisions about managing your digital assets. It's all designed to be intuitive for both new and experienced users. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers advanced features like futures and options for experienced traders. You can also explore staking and savings products to potentially earn passive income on your holdings. Remember to always prioritize security by using strong passwords and staying vigilant against phishing attempts. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space clean effortlessly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.